everyone, it's Anna here, and today I have a fun layout for you. I wanted to scrapbook this picture of box of colorful yummy donuts, and I remembered I have seen a cut file somewhere and I found it. It's a free cut file at Paper Issues, and I spent some time cutting out those donuts. I will be working with Bloom & Grow collection from 𝐏𝐫𝐸 Vanilla Studio, and this will be my background paper, so I'm prepared. So I will not be hacking running through all my stash. So this is the papers, and I will be working with the collection when it comes to embellishments too. Normally I would just start creating, but I wanted to show you that you can make this layout even if you don't have a die cutting machine, digital die cutting machine. I have 8 donuts, and my picture will be like a 9th element of the grid. Each donut is basically a circle within a circle, very simple shape. And I also have frosting and sprinkles cut out inside the frosting. So I cut out piece of colorful cardstock that will go underneath and will become sprinkles. So this will have an orange sprinkles, and then I will simply glue it down like this to my donut. And I have like 3 different types of donuts. So this will be the first one. This one is smaller, and again it has base, but it has a smaller hole inside, frosting, and a layer without the sprinkles for the sprinkles. So this is the second one. And the third type is again with a hole, a little bit bigger one, but I will add frosting this way so you will not be able to see the hole. They are similar to Polish donuts, because Polish donuts doesn't have a hole. It's a bigger piece of pastry. It also is made in the deep fry. It also have frosting, but sometimes it also have filling. And the most popular one in Poland is rose jam or marmalade, rose petals jam or marmalade. So this is the most common one in Poland. So I wanted to kind of pay tribute to the Polish donuts. Those are the French donuts. We were visiting France and we stopped by this fancy donut area, donut shop. So those are French ones, but I wanted to include this one without a hole. And I have different ones again. And I need to glue everything together. Sorry, it bothers me. There is a little leg that is missing and it's moving around. So how to make donut like this without a die cutting machine? It's actually very simple, and I'm going to make a reel about it. So you will need round dies, or if you are more persistent, you can use your scissors to make it. So we need a die in a size that you would like to have your donut in, and in my case it would be probably this one. I have more circles, so I can choose different sizes. I'm just showing you how you can make it. So we have the outer part, we have the hole in a donut. We need some temporary tape, so you would have to glue it like this, so the inner circle wouldn't move when you die cut your donut. So it will look like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, of course, because donuts are rarely perfect. Of course, you can use more tape to hold it in place, so it would be something like this. And when you die cut it, I used craft cardstock to do so, and I would probably recommend you so, or light brown cardstock, and then you can add some shading around it. When you die cut it, you will get this kind of similar shape. So this is the base, and now we need this part of a frosting, and the frosting is like just a blob. So I would take this. I would take a piece of a cardstock that I'm going to use. Let's find something like this. I would place, this one is too little, maybe this one. I would place my donut. I would trace everything with a pencil, remove it. I would took my scissors, cut out the inner hole, this piece, and then just random blob shape. Do not worry about the sprinkles. They cutting them like this, well, cutting them with your scissors would be just too dramatic and too difficult. So you can make your own sprinkles very easily using, oh, let me grab few. Something like this. This is the pops of color. I also have few from Tonic Studio. They are basically liquid pearls. This one is not a pearl finish, it's a glossy finish, but you know what I mean. And you just squeeze it out like this, and you will have, let me grab quickly. So you would just take it like this and squeeze it all over the surface. You can mix the colors because sprinkles are not perfect, and you would create a sprinkles like this. If you don't have pops of color, you can use something like ribbons. I have a set of ribbons that are only sprinkles. You can use those enamel dots to create round sprinkles. So there are many options, and I will definitely have to record a short video showcasing how to make a donut. So that is it, and I will put you on pass forward and we will make my page together. Okay, so let's make this page. I'm starting with combining all the donuts together. So I'm just applying glue under the layers with sprinkles, to the layer of the solid, and then to the donut itself. And I'm doing exactly the same with all 8 donuts that I have here. And it's a very simple and basic process. Mm, Basic process, nothing fancy, nothing hard. If you created your donuts without a die cutting machine, digital die cutting machine, uh, you already have this part done. You just need to wait for the sprinkles made with pops of color or other liquid pearls to dry really well. Otherwise, you will smear them. So just make sure everything is dry, everything is ready for your next step. And here we have all the pieces together. And now it's time to add a little bit of dimensional adhesive. I had this black foam tape on my desk. This is from scrapbook.com, and I have 2 lines, black and white. With white you have more choices of shapes, sizes of the foam, but there is also a black one if you like to create darker images and you don't like the white foam appearing from the sides or from behind. For this layout, it was just random, whatever I had on my desk. After all the donuts are glued down, I am adding my picture, and it also has layer of dimension, but this time I use pieces of cardboard. This is the cheapest and very efficient way to bag bigger surfaces, and this is what I like to do for years. This chipboard, white chipboard, is very, very light, so it doesn't add weight to your layout or other projects, and I especially like it to back pictures and bigger elements. Photo is done, and now it's time for the title. This title comes with the cut file of donuts, and it says, "Do not worry." I had a kind of a moment, what color should I use to die cut it? And I was thinking white would be just too white and it would disappear in between the design. Then I thought black, but I have nothing black in here. And then it was a revelation, dark brown, as like donuts. So I just took a piece of dark brown cardstock and cut it out this title. It may seem it's black, but it's dark brown. So next step is embellishing the page because almost everything is glued down. At this stage, you can leave it like it is. It's already nice. It already has some fun elements around. I just wanted to kind of spice it up a little bit more. So I went for embellishments from Bloom and Grow collection by 𝐏𝐫𝐸 Studio. This collection is a little bit older, like from last year, but you can still purchase a lot of it on 𝐏𝐫𝐸 website and probably on in many stores around the world. And this step was using die cuts in the shape of flowers. There is a whole pack of those in the collection, and tucking them behind donuts. Sorry, I moved the camera by accident and it's shaking right now, but it will be all fine in a second. So I'm just embellishing and tucking the elements behind the donuts. As you can see, there are flowers, there are leaves, there are like a flower buds in this set. I really, really love this product from 𝐏𝐫𝐸 collection. And after I'm done with adding flowers, and now as I'm looking at it, it seems a little bit empty. Maybe I should have added more, but I don't know. I felt at this point that it's already quite busy. So I proceed with another element, which is ephemera die cuts. And here are some inscriptions, clusters, other elements. And the thing you see in the container from scrapbook.com, very handy containers for your desk. Um, it's only like a choice of elements that may fit this page. I went through all of them off camera and picked the ones that I may want to use on this layout, and the rest is put aside. This is what I like to do when I'm creating any project, album, layout, card. I just go through elements and pick the ones that I may use, and the rest is put aside. It narrows down the choices so greatly, and it makes it very easy to navigate on what you have, on what you want to add. So I'm just adding those elements here and there. I have hearts, I have few banners with words, and I'm just placing it in the background. Nothing difficult here. And after I'm happy how it looks, I'm gluing it down with the glue, and some of the elements were glued down with pieces of foam tape for more dimension, of course. So it's almost done. I'm reaching out for the 6 by 12 stickers. I wanted to add some words. There is a whole section of the sticker sheet with words only, and I was looking for the ones that may work with this theme of the layout. I don't remember. I think I used Life is Good and Wonderful. I'm not sure which of those they were. But after making this layout, I had an idea for a card with those strips, and I will have to proceed with those. And maybe I will share them really soon. And the final step is adding those super, super cute puffy stickers. They are also from the collection, and few recent collections from 𝐏𝐫𝐸 Studio had those. And those are like hearts and dots. And masculine collection, I think, had stars and dots. but it finishes the page so well. And here are a few close-ups. Maybe here you will be able to see the dark brown color of the title. It's not black. And that's it for this page. I hope you like my tips. I will share the reel with making those donuts in a speedy way soon on my Instagram. So do not forget to check it. Here are some other videos you might like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to never miss any new video, and leave me comments. Please, please, please. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you have any ideas for future videos. I will be happy to help.